The Legislative Latino Caucus has come together today as a group to meet on a number of different specific issues. The things that we are hearing from many of our constituents all throughout the state, but especially within the Latino community, are the many challenges that are being faced. Many of them are impacted as a result of the high unemployment rate. The difficulty in terms of the affordable housing, the lack of access to health care, the disparity and inadequacy of many of the educational programs and schools that many of our children are attending. The fact that many of our students are not getting an equal and thorough education that not only are they entitled to, but they certainly deserve.
We talked about the earned income tax credit. We talked about legal service, restoration of those vital services that the community get legal advice. We talked about school funding, education for our children, and many other things that have been cut from the budget in the last few years that go to vital programs that are essential for as a safety net for the most vulnerable in our community.
Some of the other areas that we are strongly advocating for is indeed the restoration of the earned income tax credit to the level that it was at previously. While other states have taken action to increase their minimum wage, New Jersey still remains at $7.25 per hour. So that is why the Latino Legislative Caucus is absolutely in support of the referendum that is scheduled to take place this November, which is on the ballot, and that is to ensure that we increase the minimum wage to $8.25.
It's very important for the Latino Caucus to come together because I always say in translation we don't lose anything because we understand the needs of our community. We've walked in those shoes before, and it's very important for these legislators to come together and talk in unison, because when there is numbers, there's a stronger voice for us to be able to advocate for our communities.